In this video, I'm going to show you how to create animated text in Kapwing. So the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to have some video in here to which you want to add your animated text, and then you want to go to the left-hand panel and you want to click on text to the top left, and then from here you want to basically just drag on some text. Now, you could go ahead and add custom text or just use one of these styles. I'm just going to use this sample text by default over here, and I'm going to drag and drop it on here, and as you can see, there we go. It's now over here on my timeline. Now, when you've done that, I'm going to make it a bit bigger. There we go. Oops. Okay, so I'm going to move this here. Okay, so that's perfect. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and add the animation to this to show you how easy that actually is. You have to first select your text, and then here on the right-hand side, it says animations. Now, as you can see, currently for this text, there's only two animations. So we have the none and we have the vibrate. So if I click on that, as you can see, it's basically added the animation of a vibration. So if I go ahead and pause this and go ahead and make it a bit longer, as you can see, it now has the animation of a vibration, so it's like a vibrating, shaking text. Now, of course, you don't have to do this because you also have the transitions, so we could go ahead and add in these animations, which essentially are transitions. So we have like the drops, you have flickers, you have fades, you have pops like that. So as you can see, flicker, if I do fade over here, it's going to basically fade in like this, which also is an animation. And you could always go ahead and, of course, move this around and change this if you want to over here in the transition duration on the right. And then, of course, you could go ahead and delete them. You could add new ones, stuff like that. So that's pretty much how you do it. You select it, you go to your animations and transitions over here, and this is where you animate your text. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.